I'm Olivia, I'm KWS's technical specialist, and we're here at KWS UK today up in our glass houses, and I'm here with Pei.
Hi, I'm Pei. I'm assistant breeder OSR Breeder. With Olivia today, we're going to talk about Verticillium Stem Stripe in OSR Breeder. Verticillium Stem Stripe is a soil-borne disease, first discovered in the UK in 2007, and now it's become more widespread. And it's a soil-borne disease that can survive in the soil for about 10 years. And the symptoms are the stripes on the stems. It used to be called Verticillium stem wilt, but because the symptoms are more like stripes, so then now AHDB has modified it into Verticillium stem stripe. And so with a infection, then the stem could get rotten, and then these plants are more susceptible to lodging. We could also have some seed shedding, so it has a really great impact on yield. So here we got stubble collected from the field after harvest, and we can see those little grey stripes on the stems, and in the middle the stem is rotten. There are lots of diseases that could cause the stem to be rotten, but the stripes are very typical of Verticillium stem stripe.
So at KWS, we see Verticillium stem stripe as one of the most important diseases in oilseed rape. So in 2013, we had a variety recommended called Quartz, and soon after it was recommended, we then realised it had virtually no resistance to Verticillium stem stripe. So this started a process of us trialling this with ADAS. So with ADAS, we do a glasshouse testing and in the field as well, with replicated trials where we look at all of our varieties. So in the glasshouse, we look at them right from NL1, so we know early on whether that variety has got a good resistance to Verticillium stem stripe or not, and if it doesn't, it's unlikely that we're going to take that variety forward. And then in the field, we test some of our varieties that are closer to the market. And KWS have been doing this testing for about 10 years, and we're one of the first breeders to look at it for that long. Other breeders are now starting to see the disease as more of an importance. AHDB are also looking at the disease as well, and I think going forward, farmers are definitely going to be looking at this trait as an importance when picking their new variety.